All right, welcome to Math Made Easy. We'll be continuing on conjugation. And if you remember the last time we did rationalization, showing that if we have something like this, we multiply both up and down with what is in the denominator, rationalization. So we're going to do conjugation, and conjugation is something like you changing sign. For example, if you have 4 plus root 3, when we talk about conjugation, it means that you're changing it to 4 minus root 3 as conjugation. So how do we solve this? For example, if we have something like root 3 over 2 root 2 minus 5. How do we conjugate? We're going to multiply it by the denominator, right? And we're going to conjugate it. The denominator is 2 root 2 minus 5. So we're going to multiply it by 2 root 2 plus 5 for the up over 2 root 2 plus 5. So how do we multiply it? We're going to say root 3, 2 root 2 plus 5 for the numerator over pick one, 2 root 2, open bracket, pick this 2 root 2 plus 5, close bracket, then minus 5, pick 2 root 2 plus 5. Then we have root 3 times 2, root 2. Since 2 is a whole number and there's nothing here, so it will be like 1. So 1 times 2 will give you 2. Root 3 times root 2. Whenever you have different numbers in the root, you just multiply them together. Root 3 times root 2 will give you root 6 plus same thing 1 times 5, that's 5 root 3. 5 root 3 for the up. So for the down, we're going to do 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. And we have 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. Then whenever you have roots, the same root, root 2 times root 2, just pick the number 2. Root 3 times root 3, 3. Root 5 times root 5, 5 like that. So root 2 times root 2, that's 2. So we have 4 times 2 here. Then the second one, this is the whole numbers and root. So we have 5 times 2 will give you plus 10 root 2. Then let's expand this one. Minus 5 times 2 root 2 plus minus 10 root 2. Minus 5 times plus 5 minus 25. That's it. Then we have 2 root 6 plus 5 root 3 over 4 times 2, 8. Now this will cancel this because it's saying like plus a minus a, plus 1 minus 1, plus 10 minus 10. It's just 0. So, and sometimes it may come in the other way. It might be minus a plus a. It's the same thing. So it's going to be 0. So we're going to cancel it. So we have 8 minus 25. So our final answer is 2 root 6 plus 5, 5 root 3 over minus 17. Sometimes you can leave the minus at the front or how you want to do it. So this is conjugation. So I'm going to do another question, and that's where we end for this question. Yeah. So if we have a question like 4 root 2, let me use minus 3 root 7 over 5 root 3 plus 4 root 11, right? Now the conjugation of this, we're going to rationalize with the conjugate of this. So what do we do? 5 root 3 minus, because it's plus, so we're changing to minus 4 root 11 over 5 root 3 minus 4 root 11. So we're going to take the first one, 4 root 2, open brackets, take everything here, 5 root 3 minus 4 root 11, right? And take the minus 3 root 7, open brackets, 5 root 3 minus 4 root 11. over the same thing. Take this one, 5 root 3, open bracket, take everything here, 5 root 3 minus 4 root 11, then plus 4 root 11, then 5 root 3 minus 4 root 11. So now let's do the numerator. Now we'll take, this is a whole number, this is a whole number, 4 times 5, we have 20. Root 2 times root 3, that's root what? 6. 4 times minus 4 minus 16. Root 2 times root 11, root 22. Minus 3 times 5 minus 15. Root 7 times root 3, root 21. Minus 3 times minus 4 plus 12. Root 7 times root 11, that's root 77 over numerator. We have 5 times 5, 25 times root 3 times root 3, that's 3. I said it before. So we have 5 times minus 4 minus 20 root 33 because 3 times 11. So plus 20 root 33. Then we have plus 4 times minus 4 minus 16 times root 11 times root 11, 11. So since there's nothing to either cut or add or anything, so we're just going to go straight, still write it. So we have 20 root 6 minus 16 root 22 minus 15 root 21 plus 12 root 77. Now if you look at this, it's the same thing, so they cancel. So we have 75 minus 16 times 11, that's 176. 176. So our final answer, the numerator will still remain the same. 20 root 6 minus 6 root 22 minus 15 root 21 plus 12 root 77 over, we have 75 minus 176, right? So if you check it, it will be 101 minus 101. Do you get it now? So that is our final answer. Now, look at the last question and this one. What do you think is common? Whenever you are doing conjugate or sort, just know that your denominator is always going to be in the normal number, in the rational number, not going to be rational, because in sorts, you are not allowed to leave your denominators in sort form. So if you are solving and you see your denominator is sort form, you've done something. And look at it, what is common? This middle is always cancelled. If you look at it, if you rationalize and conjugate very well, the middle here in the denominator will always cancel. Do you get it? So that's all of conjugation, and that will be the end of sort. Thank you very much.